G'day, Andrew Murray here from the Apartment Specialists, talking about Auckland apartments for sale. Now, there are a few buildings in the Auckland CBD area and Greater Auckland which don't have body corporate fees. So you're probably thinking, what do you mean? All apartments have body corporate fees. Well, some of them have run under a different system and they don't come under the Unit Titles Act, and so they have what's called OPEXs. Now, so people ask me on these few buildings, now there's about 300 buildings in the CBD, Auckland CBD, and so out of these 300 buildings approximately, there's 5 or 6 that do not fall under the Unit Titles Act. And so what that means is they don't charge a body corporate fee. There is no pre-contractual disclosure, there are no compulsory minutes, and they'll have what's called an OPEX. An OPEX means the first 2 letters OP and the second 2 letters EX that stand for operating expenses. So essentially it's the same thing. But what you want to be wary of when you're dealing with an apartment complex that has an OPEX, so it doesn't fall under the Unit Titles Act, is do you have the visibility? Is there an owners committee meeting? Are there AGM minutes, and as in minutes on what happens in a meeting every year? And do you have the same visibility into what's happening in that building? Now, if you do, and you're comfortable with that, and you've got a chairman and all that kind of thing, it's run pretty much the same, the risk isn't really that much. It just means as long as you've got trust in the governing body. Now, if you don't, that puts up a few alarm bells, because it means how are you supposed to know what's happening in your building? How are you supposed to know what's happening in regards to your body corporate fees? How are they being kept low? How are they being kept at? How do you know that the best job is being done? Because if you don't have visibility, you don't have control, and you'll pay for that. You'll pay for that when you go to sell it, and you'll pay for that where things it just leaves the door open for things to be mismanaged. I'm not saying the ones that OPEXs that don't supply visibility are, but I'm saying it leaves the door open. So just be always aware when you're dealing with an OPEX, when you hear OPEX rather than body corporate, and when you do, just make sure that they do have AGM minutes, there is an owners committee, it's overseeing the whole kind of thing, and generally should be fine, in my opinion. If not, you want to really look further and see if that that governing body provides you the visibility you need, and your lawyer's happy with it as well. I hope that helps, and talk to you soon. Cheers.